Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today is new pen day and I am so excited for this. I just received this in the mail today from Japan Post. I got it from Yumiko, who is Good Pen Life on Instagram, so I'll put her name down here on the screen and I'll also link it in my description. This is my new Platinum Century fountain pen in Shape of Hearts Chai Latte, and I'm dying. I cannot wait to open this. I missed the pre-orders on this pen, so I had to jump through a couple of hoops to get my hands on this, but I was able to get it from Yumiko. Thank you so much, Yumiko, for working with me. She made it so pleasant of an experience to get this pen, and I got it for a really great price. I got it with a fine nib, and yeah, let's not hesitate anymore. Let's just open it up because I'm beyond excited. The first thing I got is this cute little thank you envelope, and I want to open this up and see what's inside. The first thing she included is these really cute color decoration stickers in coral. They're absolutely beautiful. There's 4 sheets inside, and that's everything that comes inside the package, and I cannot wait to use these. So thank you, Yumiko. That is really sweet. And this is the envelope. Oh, wow. Look at that. How cute is that? And she included a really cute note for me. It says, "Have a good time with this chai latte fountain pen, Yumiko." How cute is that? She is so sweet. Oh, and there's more in here. I was able to open the envelope without ripping it. I want to save everything about this packaging for my journal, so I'm just going to kind of set that aside. I even saved the washi tape that she sealed the envelope with. And there is more ephemera in here. There's frames. There's all kinds of pretty things. And oh, look at this. It looks like an origami. Oh my gosh. It says, "May be peaceful." Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. It's a crane. I love this so much. How adorable is that? So I'm going to put this in my journal. Without a doubt, I'm going to create a pocket that I can fold this up in and keep it forever, because I have never gotten an origami before. I don't know how to make them, so I'm excited about this. So let's set that all aside. Wow, I'm so excited. I'm just going to open the package here. This is brand new in the box. Oh wow, it's wrapped. It's wrapped. Let's just open this up carefully. Okay. I have been waiting probably about a month for this. I have been stalking the tracking, and that's another great thing. She provides a tracking number for you, and it hit customs the day before, and within like one day it was here in Pennsylvania, and I'm so excited. Okay, so here is the box, and I got this in a fine nib, and it's just like a paper sleeve. So let's slide this out. Okay, here is the box that it comes in. Okay, let's see what we have here. We just have some information on the pen. We have the warranty card. We have a user's manual. Very cool. And then the pen. Let's take a look. Oh my, it is beautiful. It is so beautiful. So let me take this out. Look at this, guys. I have never seen anything so beautiful in my entire life. So those are the heart crystals that are within the cap. And if I'm not mistaken, basically when we get to the nib, I will show you the breather hole is shaped like a heart. They punch those little hearts out and they include them in the cap, as well as the crystals that are in there. It's beautiful. It's actually a matte finish. And let me see if I can get a really clear picture of this. I want my camera to focus on how beautiful this is. The color of it is beautiful. It's matte. The hardware is rose gold. I love this matte finish. I'm shocked that it's matte. I didn't realize it was matte until I opened it. So really cute. It feels really, really nice. Let's unscrew this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. It says 14 karat gold fine nib. And if you can see, like I mentioned earlier, that breather hole is shaped like a heart. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's see what else comes in the package. So you get your ink cartridge, which I believe may be a blue ink. You receive your international converter, which is great because I plan on using my own ink. And it actually comes with a limited edition platinum ink. Oh, wow, look at that. There's a heart engraved on the top of this ink. Okay, it's mixable ink, create your own ink colors. I'm not sure what that means. I don't think you actually mix this. I think it's just the color that came with this pen, but look at how beautiful that is. And we will swatch this out so that you guys can check it out. I'm going to ink up the pen. I most likely will ink it up off camera because I just want to take my time with it. I'm new to fountain pens and I really want to just be very careful as I'm inking this up. Let's see if there's anything else in the box. I don't believe so. Okay, there's nothing else in the box, but wow, I actually am loving this ink. From just what I can see on the outside, it looks like a warm brown. If it is a warm brown, I might actually ink my pen with this. The ink bottle is just gorgeous, guys. Look at this, the heart on it. I mean, I love the heart. So, so nice. So as far as the pen itself, I'm going to give you some information on it. Let's see. It is a resin body material. It has a screw cap. It's in rose gold accents. It's got a 14 karat gold nib. Mine is fine. The body of the pen is 12 grams. The weight of the cap is 11 grams and the overall weight is 23 grams. I really don't have anything to compare it to, guys, because I'm new to fountain pens and this is my Grail pen. So yeah, I'm so excited. I can't get over how beautiful this is, guys. I cannot get over how beautiful this is. It really feels good. Let's take a closer look at everything. I'm going to unscrew the body. Okay, this is where the converter is going to go in. I believe it accepts an international converter. This nib is so beautiful in the rose gold. Let's see how it feels in my hand. It feels really, really comfortable. Let me post it. Oh, it actually feels really good posted as well. I'm going to see if I can zoom in on this nib a little bit better. I am just enamored with this pen. I love the crystals inside the cap. I love the colorway of this. Now that I'm zoomed in, I'm going to show you the engraving on the top of the bottle. Look at that. It's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Prior to inking up the pen, I want to swatch out the ink first because I will be using this ink. There's no shimmer in it because I can tell by the bottom of the bottle. Oh wow, that looks really pretty. So I'm going to do a big swatch of this in my ink journal. I dated this page. I wrote New Pen Day. I put the name of the pen down at the bottom. I'm super excited. I'm ready. So let's get some ink on the page. I think I'm going to do it kind of right here. Yeah, that looks really pretty already. And I'm going to do a big sample of this because I really want to, oh wow. Okay. So that's super, super, super pretty. I'm going to wait a moment and we're going to let that dry down. Meanwhile, I'm just going to cap this. The ink sample is still drying. It's a beautiful color. It's a very warm brown, very pretty. It's even more warm than Steep Umber, where I think Steep Umber is a little darker than this because I have swatched that one before, and this one has more of a orange warm brown. So we are all inked up and we are ready to go. Guys, I'm in love with this pen already and I haven't even written with it. So let's see how this goes. The first thing I'm going to do is some S's. This is a gorgeous nib. It is very smooth. I actually really love this color. I think it's perfect for this pen. I'm so glad they included it. And just do some kind of like viney little flowers. It feels so smooth on the paper. I'm really loving this so much, guys. So excited about this. This is a gorgeous color. I'm completely in love with it, and I'm so glad that I inked the pen up with that. Just going to add some highlights to my writing here. I'm still kind of learning what my nib choice is going forward, and I think it's definitely going to be fine. At first I thought it was going to be medium because I'm a pretty medium type writer with gel pens, but I think with this I'm going to definitely be a fine nib writer. Gorgeous color. I'm so glad I did a larger swatch for this. And yeah, that's it, guys. I am thrilled. This is the most exciting thing ever. This pen writes so smooth and so beautiful. Now that I have a 14K nib, I probably don't want to write with steel anymore. I've just spoiled myself rotten is what I did. Really gorgeous. And again, totally in love with the air hole that's shaped like a heart. It's so pretty. I love it so much. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. This is my first really nice fountain pen. Not that my Hello Kitty Kaweco collab pen was not, but this is probably the nicest pen I have in my collection, and I feel so lucky that I was able to get my hands on this since I wasn't able to do the pre-order. And thank you again to Yumiko from Good Pen Life for making this happen for me. I also updated my ink swatch planner. I really love this thing. I'm starting to really get attached to it. I put some stickers that Yumiko sent with the order. I got a little crazy, but I really like it. And look at the swatch of the ink that came with the pen. It's literally gorgeous. I love it so much. It's such a beautiful warm brown. It's got nice shading properties. Really pretty. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Bye.